Huh?
They're about to come to sign a contract!
Sammy, calm down. What do you mean?
I've decided to buy some land, because with age, you know, not only people, but slimes as well are beginning to be into gardening!
What?
There'll be 100 plant species in a pond!
No. Listen, to make your wish come true, you don't need to buy the land. There's a much easier way. Let's go, I'll show you. Hi guys, today we're gonna make a miniature dollhouse.
It's very easy because the special kit will help us!
Not so fast, Mr. Smarty Pants. This won't be an ordinary house. We'll make it in the Animal Crossing style.
Wow, Sue, this is awesome! This kit has all the details and the instructions needed for a workshop!
That's right. Don't worry guys, the process of remaking takes a while, but it's not hard at all. We'll age all the details, paint some of them to make an effect of rust, add some moss. It's very interesting. You'll see for yourselves. Let's start with the floor. Instead of using a print from the kit, we will lay it out with wooden tiles. Sammy, while I'm busy, could you please start aging the details?
Oh, that I can do! So, I'm almost done, but considering your speed, I didn't have to hurry.
Oh, Sammy, I wanted to suggest something cool to you, but you're so mean. And here I thought you liked just the floor color.
I wanted to lend you a hand, but you always give me the toughest tasks. Maybe blue or red. Oh, my fat, I like the green and the white too.
We can use them all. No need to choose if it's too hard for you.
Woohoo! Now you're talking! By the mozzarella, this floor can handle many shelves! A 100 plant species require a lot of space after all!
I guess even the guys have already learned by heart how many species you're gonna grow here. Actually, Sammy, I really like your idea. But it's not so easy to take care of different plants. There's so many conditions to consider. The right temperature, humidity, the amount of light.
And a place to put them! That's why the first comfortable shelf is ready!
Oh, I didn't even have to ask. Looks like you're really enjoying making this craft.
Sure thing! It's so nice to run the household!
Oh, really? Then why do you always try to skip your chores? Do you have anything to say about that?
Oh, Sue! Look! Another shelf! I really have no idea who made it!
Actually, I know that. I recognize the master style. It seems this work of art is your doing, Sammy.
No time to investigate, Sue! Plant delivery is almost here! Oh, here they are!
I guess he wasn't kidding about 100 species.
Sue, they're so cool you won't believe your eyes!
Let's arrange the flowers before we can take care of the greenhouse itself. We'll secure every object with adhesive tape.
Hey, Sue, look! I'm starting things just like an Animal Crossing!
Guys, have you ever played this game? Give us a thumbs up if you know what I'm talking about.
I bet everybody at least heard about the game. You play as a little human living in a village inhabited with animals who look like humans. And you can do many cool things. Fishing, bug catching, fossil hunting, and house building.
You probably wonder what's so interesting in the game that looks so much like real life. Well, I know a guy who can explain it better than anyone.
There are at least 3 reasons. First one, I doubt very much that in reality you'll manage to find a wonderful village with animals like there are in Animal Crossing. The second one, every series, and there are many of them, has a unique style, which look at this! And the third reason, in reality you'd have to spend months to build a house, but in this game it's much faster!
Sounds impressive, isn't it? It's because Sammy is a real expert in video games. And that's the last detail.
Oh, it came out so great! I really didn't expect that!
We've just started, Sammy. Stay tuned, guys, if you want to see the final result.
Sue, listen, don't take it personal, but the greenhouse without a roof and the walls is kind of not working.
Oh, don't worry, Sammy. I was just about to work on that. Guys, don't forget about safety while working with sharp objects. They're not a toy.
It's better to ask an adult to help. I always entrust Sue with a job like this, and she's doing it great.
Now we need to carefully remove the protective film. And then make a shape by gluing the edges like this. There we go.
Sue, I just checked the instructions and they say you need this piece at this stage.
Thank you, Sammy. Right on time. I've prepared the walls beforehand so we don't have to waste time. We'll just press the edges like this. And put the wall right here. See? It's not hot at all.
Sue, I've been wondering, what's the difference between a greenhouse and a winter garden?
Oh, that's easy. I'll explain. The main difference is in their functions. There we go. Great.
I don't get it. People need them both to grow plants, don't they? Weird.
Thanks for this piece, Sammy. In general, yes, you're right.
Aha!
But people grow different plants, you know.
Oh, yeah, like flowers.
By the way, guys, we've already painted the beams with black paint, so now they will fit our Animal Crossing style better.
So if I clearly understood, it's more comfortable to grow vegetables in the greenhouse, but exotic flowers in the winter garden.
Exactly. Now, check out what we've got.
So would you mind if I test my greenhouse magic? Bibbidi boppidi subscribity! I did it!
Now all we have to do is make the right lighting. Let's do this. You won't regret it, I promise.
Guys, we've already built so many awesome houses in different styles. You know where to find them. On our channel. So in case you haven't watched those videos yet, you definitely should.
So, Sammy, do you think we need to test the light?
I'm ready. 1, 2, hey! Who turned off the light? Whoa, it looks so cozy!
Alright, Sammy, let's proceed. Oh? Is that Sam's new magic wand? Interesting. Guys, close your eyes. Whoa, guys, would you look at this?
As I clearly remember, that was not included in the kit. I love our remaking! Even conjured the rust! Oh, Sue, I feel like I'm inside the game! Now I want to examine every inch of our craft!
Sammy, you'll have to wait. We're not done here.
No!
Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Here we go.
Sue, what are you doing? Why didn't you wait for me?
I thought you said you wanted to have a pond. That's why I decided to make this special platform as a surprise.
Huh?
Just a bit more of epoxy resin. Besides, the platform is like a finishing touch. It will make the whole craft look complete.
You remembered about the pond?
Of course. How could I forget something that my best friend considers to be important?
Actually, your best friend didn't waste time either. The great master of decoration made his main masterpiece.
And it looks so good. I love your decor ideas. Let's place our house right here. And here's Sammy's tree.
I bet you'll be totally smitten. Check out this awesomeness.
Good macarons. You've even made tiny apples. So cool.
And here's the fishing rod. I don't want to fall into the water.
Sammy, it's not real.
But it looks very real.
What?
Sue, it's a great idea. What do you think about mine? Voila! Oh, finally I can inspect my property.
After you guys, let's take a look at our adorable house. Oh, Sammy, I can see that you really like your new house.
Like is not the right word, Sue. I'm gonna look at it all day long.
don't miss your lunch.
Lunch? Is it served? Actually, I could have a break.
You can postpone a craft, but never lunch. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. This way we will know that you want us to build more cool miniature houses.
Don't forget to hit the bell button so you won't miss our next video.